I am currently at a customer's home on his dock, which is about 1,100 feet away from his home. Hi guys, this is Burek. So I want to demonstrate the autonomous response feature. And we have a camera out here that we install on the Arden.AI system, and we have the autonomous response kit. Right now it's currently playing music, so they can come out and play music if they want while they're enjoying the dock. You see the camera on the left side. And here's the vertical kit. On the right, once it sees me, it's going to speak.
Hello, I can see you at the dock camera. Contacting the homeowner now.
So it just spoke because it saw a person. If it saw an animal out here, it will both speak to the animal or try to play some kind of sound clip if I needed to. And it will also play a voice response inside the home, telling them that, hey, an animal is outside, all from the camera. So the camera uses Arden.AI in its analytics, so it can detect person, cars, or animals and respond differently to different things that it sees. But this is just a demo. See you guys in the next one.